Barda updates. Yung trending ngayon ng Barda. Yung for McDo. Yung Barbie Fortesa, David Licaco at Sulit Busog sa McDo. At sa post pa nga ng Barda, sabi ni David kay Barbie, may aaminin ako. At sabi naman ni Barbie kay David, ayun o yun. Dahil nilabas na nga yung commercial ng Barda, nasa social media na yun ng McDo. Ang Barda hindi mapibitin sa McDo. Mac Saver Super Busog Meals 99 pesos lang. May dalawang rice na, grabe yun. Nagpakilig pa nga ang Barda dyan sa kanilang bagong commercial for McDonald's, you know. Sweet pa nila Barbie at David dyan sa commercial nila, you know. Pwede na panoorin niya sa YouTube at sa social media. Ito pa yung mga behind the scene nila Barbie at David. Yung kita naman gaano ayusan ang dalawa ng kanilang glam team, you know. Ito pa yung post na Sparkle GMA Artist Center. Secrets out. Where Trade announced that Barbie Fortesa and David Licaco, our newest celebrity endorser of McDonald's, was the latest campaign on McDonald's social media channels, you know. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.